We regret to announce the death of our beloved Orestus Riviere, better known as Sheba, originally of Soufrière, who resided in Vieux. He passed away at the Soufrière Hospital on Thursday, March 23rd, 2023, at the age of 78. He was predeceased by his daughter, Foiler Didier Gaston, of Fossé Jacques Soufrière, who passed away suddenly on November 1st, 2022. Left to mourn, his sister and Kara Marie Riviere Harrison of New Development Soufrière, other sisters, Myron Lawrenson of St. Croix, Vivi Riviere of London, England. His brothers, Gregory Riviere of Trinidad and Tobago, Remus Riviere of Diamond Soufrière, Peter Riviere of London, England, Ronald Riviere of Bay Street, Soufrière, Martin Riviere of Crestland, Soufrière. His two daughters, Martha and Glenda Leon of Opicon, Vieux. His 6 sons, Augustin Didier, better known as Titin of Belfort, Nicodemus Didier, better known as Nico in New York, Bradley Hamilton of Bruceville, Vieux, Akim and Afra-Gian of Soufrière, Alpheus Boyce residing in Barbados. His grand and great-grandchildren, especially Kendra Gaston, employed at Flo St. Lucia, Vieux, Nicole Gaston residing in Soufrière. Also left to mourn, his Cara and niece, Angel Riviere, other Caras, Cecily Riviere, Marba Emmanuel, Travis Riviere, Earl Joseph, Vianney Chaudry, and Matthias Alva, members of the NICE Committee program, the entire Riviere family in Soufrière and abroad, too numerous to mention. The funeral service for the late Orestus Riviere, better known as Sheba, originally of Soufrière, who resided in Vieux, will be held at Ramballis Chapel, Latony, Vieux, on Monday, April 3rd, 2023, at 11 a.m., after which his body will be laid to rest at the Latony Public Cemetery. The body now lies at Ramballis Funeral Parlor, Latony, Vieux.